In this video, we are going to see how we can easily cancel and delete the Namecheap domain. So if you have subscribed to domain earlier that you no longer want, here's what you can do. First of all, just log into your Namecheap account. On our left, we have this domain list option. Just click on that, and this will give you the list of all the actives or even inactive domains that you have used on Namecheap platform. So first of all, just make sure that if any domains you're using for, let's say, educational purposes, make sure it is not set to auto renew so that you don't unnecessarily pay for the subscription of the domains that you are no longer using. So what we can do is let it expire until 23rd of December so that you can still avail the benefits of it and you no longer have to cancel it. Because we have turned off the auto renew option, that will allow us to continue using the services at the end, and it will not auto renew. That means we will not be charged for the unused domains. So after that, just select this, click on manage. If you want to still delete it, go from here, scroll down a little bit and just delete this. But if we want to still delete it, just select this. And if we go to options and we don't see anything regarding the delete option, what you can do is just go to the bottom and click on go to live chat page, and then you can request them separately to delete this for you. Why they have not given any option? Because if you turned off auto renew, it will still makes no sense to cancel it earlier until and unless you have an emergency or your domain is being misused. So in that case, you can just go to their live chat page and you can ask them to cancel it or delete it right away. But otherwise, auto renew option turning off is fine. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.